What did I tell you? What's the ring number? What's the ring number on this one?
The 260. 260. So this 260.
Yeah.
Bred with something and then got a baby from it.
Now come, I'll show you now that 260 cock. Now you will tell me I'm talking cock in my own yard, or you will believe it. I don't know.
Oh, you gooi petrol and kill them all.
Come, I'll show you now.
It is a nice slate.
Yes.
Well, if you
You see
Yeah,
the 260?
Yeah.
This is one of his babies.
Oh.
So
That thing, I can show you now, 13 point something. That was the roll it rolled, and I put it in a
and
stock.
then the hen that you're breeding with?
No, that's a cock.
No, I'm asking that. Okay, the hen?
What, with the 260?
Yeah, the 260. No, the baby from the 260 is this one.
Yeah,
Yes, now I want to know the history of the cock. How good is it?
that one is a John Roos cock.
Because the John is clean to John
The
Roos.
skin clean, it's still ring, still John Roos.
No, George.
I'm telling you. I'll show you.
So don't let people listen. You see what people do?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Whenever they come to this property or anybody's property,
Yeah.
they start picking up rings.
Oh, yeah.
When they pick rings on the floor and then they say, "Hey,
JJ. Nice.
So people steal rings and then you see what happens? That bird is white. And then
Yeah.
what you do? You wait for a baby which is white, and then you ring it with JJ Roos. Then you tell everybody that you've got a JJ Roos. That's what people do.
These hawks are full of John Roos. This is when this kid comes at I fly you
This one.
they're all 2019s. I'll fly you this kid. You see that black white flight there? Yeah. It's not even 3 months in the air.
So, Tabang, you'll go crazy.
You see that all blue there?
Yeah.
I can show you. In those competition sheets. That also I flew last year. It was also 13 to 14 second rollers. So I put it in a stock.
With brains. Yes, we can have an 18-second bird.
Yeah.
But every time you fly it, you first you poop on that it doesn't roll down.
That one I got babies. I put that one straight up to the C260 cock now.
George, question.
Yes.
Why do you hate the biscuit color?
No.
I'm asking.
It's
I wanna hear this. Yeah.
We'll show you a biscuit bird and whatsoever. VJ doesn't do biscuits. George doesn't do biscuits. And then he tells you that it comes from a biscuit.
No.
You see the catch?
Oh.
A slate, and then also know your colors. George
Yeah.
once said, slate is a check.
Oh,
Always break the color. Yeah, always break
You
the
see
color.
what I do? You see now, you see there, I put a slate with a white one. Or I will put that slate with a grizzle.
Oh,
or,
yeah.
Or I put, I mix my colors.
Who's that old man that his birds usually drop? I want to speak about him. The man that he has cages full of roll downs. Them usually buy birds from him. It's an old man in Germiston.
Jamestown. Yeah, I forgot.
Oh, dinges you're talking about. What's got a Maxton?
Maxton.
Oh, Maxton.
Yeah, Maxton.
Oh, yeah.
Maxton believes in one color, red, white flight, two red, white flight.
No.
Those things, you put them up. It's like color rollers, those things. You put them up before they reach the roof.
That's
So what people
So
say,
red white flies, you don't like them?
no.
I don't like red pigeons. You see, most I haven't got
Oh,
red.
yeah,
I got red, but
Oh yeah, not that much. Eh?
I don't like my
They convinced him that there is a V-tail with 12 feathers on the... So I'm like, no, don't let them...
You see
Then I fly those birds, they don't perform.
There's like a Vito, but that's a John Roos. That's how they kick back. This is a Vito. You see that?
Oh yeah.
You see the red?
Yeah,
and
this
stuff?
brown one. Yeah, I
But
saw
usually
that.
what I heard on church, a proper V-tail has like 14 feathers. That's what
Vito is a Vito. That's Vito. That.
comes from another V-tail or...
No, this I bred out of, I don't know, here, I must check in my stock.
George,
But
the kitty is back.
Yeah, they went up now.
They went up again. Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's the birds here. They go up, they come down. Once you think they're about to settle, you go up again.
You see, that's what I say. The choice is his where he must get birds. I can't tell him, listen, go buy birds there, buy birds there. Like that sandy cock there.